In this video, let's try to send a message from one device to the other. So I always use like my iPhone 7 as the source. So I'll send a message from my iPhone to the simulator. Okay, here, this iPhone SE simulator. What kind of information? So let's do this. Here, this is our view controller. This is this file, view controller. So remember, we have our, every time when we tap, right, on the one of the columns, right, we can drop a piece. So if that, it means we successfully drop a piece. So every time when we drop a piece at the column, we can send the message of the column. Okay, so let's do that. So let message equals like that, right? So we'll send out the value. For example, we drop at column 0, we'll send out the string 0. Okay, how to send it? We need to create a data from this information. So let's do that. If that, creating a data might fail, so we'll use if let message data equals message dot data, right? We'll convert this. First we'll convert the int to a string, then we'll use the string to create a string data. Okay, like that, using string encoding. Let's use the famous UTF-8. Okay, encoding. Now if that means here we do have, right, non-nil message data, so we can use the session dot send out the data. So here message data, two peers, all the peers, session dot connected peers with mode. Okay, send data mode, let's use reliable mode. Okay, that's it. It's so simple. Oh, because this also might fail, sending, right, doing the networking job. So let's use try that. So we'll ignore the error condition. Okay, done. So every time when so if I drop a piece on my iPhone 7, it will send out this data, this information, to all the connected peers. Of course, this guy will be one of them, this simulator. Now let's write the part for receiving, on the receiving side. Okay, where is it? Is here. Session did receive data. Okay, let's do something simple, just to print out if there's something here. Okay, so print out data. Now we can give a try. So first, let's load this new version of our app onto my iPhone 7. Okay, run it. Okay, now the app is loaded and on my iPhone 7. I stop it, and now we'll run the simulator, right? Launch the simulator with the new code. Okay, so first I'll launch the app on my iPhone 7, and I'll click advertise, right, to send out the advertisement. Okay, now here on the simulator we receive the advertisement, right? So we can join. Okay, you see here iPhone 7, click it, connected. Okay, cool, done. But there's nothing updated here. That's focus and this point. Yeah, you see here. Oh, it's gone. So connecting, connected. Don't worry about those error messages. It doesn't matter. Now I'll drop a piece on my iPhone 7. Alright? So pay attention to here. Because this is the console. The console will show the debugging printing of this simulator, right? Because we run our simulator here, so it means it will print out something here. Okay, let me do it. Yeah, print out data. You see, 1 byte. Okay, now let's do it again. Okay, cool. So next, let's print out what is this data. Okay, now so we can do, because the data might be, if we convert the data to our string, right, it might fail. So let's do if let. So message, right, equals, let's get the data from let's create a string from this data, yes, and encoding, of course we use the same encoding, right, to get out the data. Now we can print out the message, right? So we can see received message. What is the message? We'll print out. Now we don't need this since we already have. Let's leave it there. Okay, because this we'll check this on the receiver side, so I don't need to update my iPhone 7, right? We'll do that later. But for this test, for this experiment, we don't need to update my iPhone 7 because that is the sender. Okay, so let's rerun this one. So this time, let's see what we receive. Okay, now I didn't touch the iPhone 7 after I rerun this new version of the of our app, but we can still join because that guy is still sending out advertisement. Okay, join, connecting, connected, done. Okay, so never mind here. Now I go back to iPhone 7 to drop the piece, right? I'll drop at 0, colon 0. Okay, let's clear this one. Okay, yeah. So colon 0, receive message 0, 1, wow, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0 again. Yes. So you see, we get the information of the column, right? So why is it important? We can use this information to update our game screen here, right? It means we can see the move on the other side. Wow, that's great.